is a bird?
Fuck.
What is that?
Fucking sparrow. I don't know actually. 10 out of 10.
Stiff as fuck.
Footy! Do you think Pad's eating it? That's what he does, you know, hunts food.
Yeah, he hunts for like me.
He hunts for pussy. Imagine doing someone up against the wall in this tunnel.
We should do it in dark.
Oh shit, I just done a manhole.
We should do it in dark.
Yeah, but you fall down manholes.
No, I mean like when it's dark outside.
Alright, yeah. It won't really make a difference. It just we won't have mushroom at end. Billy, look, that's what you have to get over.
Is it a door?
No, it doesn't open. It's got a padlock on it.
Oh, we'll have to open and get over it.
Fuck that. You're all wet.
I know, fuck that. I ain't brought any gloves, so... Here we are. Nearly at the end of our expedition.
Yeah, that was quite cool.
Ooh, fucking hell, manhole. Brad setting the manhole on fire.
Good classic water cell. Who would tell us it on fire? Fucking me.
I'd...
We have to get up and get over that.
Like, warm it.
I wouldn't want to, to be honest.
You what?
I wouldn't want to
You want to walk?
walk back through. Hey! Here, we need a picture like...
That's fucking massive, that wall.
We need a picture of the other... Is there a bird on the top? Fuck, I can't see fuck all. For all we know, Pad could be sat in the fucking corner.
I want to try eating it up.
Look at all that rubbish. Bill's a dead bird on the top. Here, Bill, here, get a picture of me at this side, Brad.
Oh, we should go